this nigga think he is? Mugging the pimpin'. Lil' J-Ring get the hoppin' out. Nigga who trippin' just got a call from Lil' Justice. He say, family, how you living? I'm fucked up behind your mud, so it's hard to keep it pimpin'.
Knock, knock, nigga, guess who? It's that boy Mac Roo. I'm at your front door, better yet hers. The hoe told me to come through. These boys simpies, doing no sending, just pretending. He yelling at that hoe and that bitch still ain't listening. Cut the shag off, it's a J-Ring curl, not a Jerry. Grew my whole hair out, now I'm looking for my natural hoe fairy. Sit investing in my hoes and I can't have them down bad. Made them cut off all they friends, we don't do no talking to fags. Walnut in, they packed in, man. The laws done hit, man, I'm halfway cross country. Yesterday's trap I already spent. I got Tucci with me, I'm headed to pick up baby J. He jumped up in my whip and said, where them girls at today? Karma swirls on her ass, she used to be skinny, now she thick. I'm a realistic pimp, try not to pimp from my dick. I'm Harry Hindstone down, I can't stop, I can't quit. If I knock that hoe today, tonight she on the cement. Cranberry in my cup, you want some Henny or some Remy? Funky pussy, Casamigo ass bitch, I got plenty. Stupid drunk, pussy hoe, get on your knees and suck it off. I knocked this bitch out the cliff, that hoe was chillin' in the north. Mega personal, keep on trippin'. Flag in my hoe, I'm never running out of game. I'm down there in the casino. A mirror on my back, nigga, and all my fingers got rings. Got all my hoes in the car, one of them thinks she can sing. My other bitch gassing her up, I let these hoes live they dreams. And I'm gon' pimp, pimp, pimp till I'm dead by any means. Since 1990, I was Gwen, first grandson. And I'm gon' pimp it till I'm dead, that's on Tremonica and Jackie's sons.
Who the fuck this nigga think he is? Mugging the pimpin'. Lil' J-Ring get the hoppin' out. Nigga who trippin', got a call from Lil' Justice. He say, family, how you living? I'm fucked up behind your mud, so it's hard to keep it pimpin'.